Just check out the heading. That is, do you know the biggest weapon of a lawyer? Well, prima facie, weapon, the term may sound weird to many of you, especially on the arena of a legal field. But believe me, it has relevant meaning. Let's come and prove it. So, first of all, we will discuss the literal or English meaning of weapon. That is, weapon, which is a noun, literally mean an instrument of attack or defense in combat. So it could be a gun, missile, a sword, or anything of such type. On the other hand, in zoology, it means an organ such as claw or a stringer or teeth, etc., used by an animal in attack or defense. Okay, so in gist, I can say weapon is something which is used to defend against or defeat another. Right? Now think what an advocate or attorney does in the courtroom, irrespective of the fact that whether he or she is a prosecutor or a defense lawyer, or even in any field of legal profession, what a lawyer does. Think honestly. Pause the video here and comment in the comment box what is the weapon of a lawyer that he or she uses frequently. Okay, come back. Well, the weapon of a lawyer is his or her vocabulary or words power, isn't it? Now you can correlate with that. I mean, how many words you know and how easily you can play with those learned words, isn't it? Here, think the victory of a warrior. Again, go back what we discussed in the beginning, the literal meaning of weapon. Depends upon how skillfully he played with his weapon. Weakening at any point in time, directly related to defeat, isn't it? Similarly, in legal field, if something is more important, that is your dexterity of using the correct words at correct time. Believe me, a lawyer whose vocabulary is very rich or prosperous can easily defeat a lawyer who came in the court only with facts and a story. As with good vocabulary, one can easily confuse his or her opponent and convince the judge. For example, see the video clip of the movie Jolly LLB that I am showing here. And this is the part 1, not part 2. Right? Okay, now again, apart from this, I would also like to give another example of a Hollywood movie, namely A Time to Kill. You can watch this entire movie as movie is very nice. But if you can't afford in any sense watching the entire movie, then in that case watch at least the last scene. Last, I believe 10 minutes video. Okay, you need to focus on the last scene because that is the best closing statement ever I have heard you will get here in this last 10 minutes. Believe me, in the circumstance where everything is against that lawyer, even then he won the case. How that became possible? That is only because of his presentation. Right? So that is the value of presentation. Moreover, the prosperity of your vocabulary along with the dexterity of playing with the learned words is the key of success in the field of law, and there is no doubt on this account. Right? Well, this is all for this video. In next video, I will discuss some more technical information on this. However, I have started a course which is unique in itself, as nowhere else you will get such type of applied course, namely application of English language in law. In the course, along with the categorized vocabulary, I will discuss so many aspects of those English language and grammar which are exclusively applied in the legal field. The course is available online, hence law students of any country can join. Interestingly, for American students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For European students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For African students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. For Asian students, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. Similarly, for the students of Oceania, separate timetable is scheduled as per their time zone. The interested students can write to us at mplegalfirm@gmail.com. So that's all for this video, and hope to see you again in my next video.